What up, everybody? This is my phase two 5% of funding account, phase two challenge account. And I only need to achieve 5% and I already achieved the profit target, but I need to have one more profitable day, meaning that I have to make at least $250, right? In order to pass the account, right? So amazing work. Took a losing trade here, a winning trade here as well. Very easy, solid trade. And I just trade this account for 2 day, right? You can see crazy result for me recently, right? And then just let's talk about the trade that I took, right? Just let's talk about the trade that I took. I took a very simple trade, very easy, reasonable trade as well. The whole idea is pretty simple as well. I would argue it's pretty simple. So I'm not gonna trade, of course. I mean, I'm satisfied with my result, right? Right now I realize that trading is not the money game, right? Actually, it is psychology, right? If you become greedy, you want more, you want to chase more, then you will lose eventually, right? And you have to stop at some point. Even if you take a big win, even if you take a big loss, right? You have to stop and re-evaluate yourself and just really calm yourself down, right? This is something that I learned from the journey. And also, I believe that trading, you cannot trade it as a tool or as a method for you to escape your reality or escape your 9 to 5, right? Because if you trade that way, even if you make $1,000 a day, you would not be enough. You would not be satisfied with it. And you just want overnight success, right? I don't think it is a good way to approach trading. And this is exactly what I do and how my mind operate in my first 3 years of my trading journey, right? Um, I trade, I start trading in 2022, October, right? Which almost 4 years, right? And I start to see some consistent payout from my FTMO account and the incoming funding per payout cycle as well, right? I start to see some consistency. I'm able to hold trade the account for months, right, and get multiple payout from that, and then try to basically try to scale my account up, right, and yeah, it's all because my mind changed, right? Because I know no matter how much I make today, it will not change my reality. I still have to go to work. I still have to stay grounded. I still have to work, cannot escape the reality. But I do believe in um, compound interest, the compound effect, right? So I do believe like with maybe if you make, let's say a 200, 300, 500 a day will not change your life. But if you're able to make it consistently, months after months, years after years, then definitely um, your life will change a lot, I would say, over the years, or you will take a big leap in your life and just become the whole brand new, the the best version of yourself, right? So just want to talk about and let's talk about the trade that I took. The relatively simple. We're in a bear trend, obviously. You can see a very strong bear, amazing trade here. And I took an amazing trade here as well. And I'm blessed, right? These couple of day market have a lot of volume and a lot of possibility and wait for me to make money, right? And you can see that initially I want to take a short when it came to the market around here. I want to take a short after this big bear bar. I put a sell stop below here, but the next bar is a bad follow through. So I changed my mind. I do not want to sell and I do not want to buy here as well because we're kind of at the top of the trading range, right? And I do not want to do that. And then I saw a big bear bar, but do I want to sell below here? Of course not, because this potentially the third push down. And also we can see a long way to the bottom, long way to the bottom, overlapping bar. Bad follow through probably is a bear leg in the trading range. So after I see a um bad follow through bar with a bolt body close on its high, I just enter trade when price break above the high, and then I just put my stop here. And this is a reasonable trade, but it's low probability because I'm risking very little, and I'm tightening here, right? So of course, is it a risky trade, right? But it still work out, and no, it's not work out. Bear bar followed by a bull body as well, potential um higher low double bottom, potentially watch bottom as well. One, two, three. Right, you can see that the third push down is a reasonable trade. Is a high probability trade, probably not, but I'll put my stop here, risking very little and then tightening the high. 1.3 something risk reward ratio. Amazing trade, amazing work. And the price have a second leg up here, and then price have a second leg up, and then I saw this big bear bar. I'm thinking, okay, probably we form a lower high, and then we are also the top of the trend range, and then with this big bear breakout bounce, the probability it will have a one-to-one risk reward ratio move to the downside. So I just entered the trade there, very easy trade, very easy money trade, and then I just stopped myself, and then you can see that I need one more profitable day in order for me to pass this 50K from the account, and after I pass the account, I will risk 300 US dollar per trade, which is freaking amazing. It's just free money, bro. I mean, I just have to sharpen my skill set and also be smart and just be really stay humble, stay grounded, and be consistent with my um trading, my mindset, my psychology. Just stay positive. I mean, like life is amazing, and I do believe that, right? So I'm gonna call it a day, and this is my 5% account, and yeah, I'm gonna call it a day.